Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to send Bitcoin with Lightning Network on Coinbase. And here is a simple guide on how you can easily do that. So the first thing to do is to open the Coinbase app and log in into your account using account credentials. Then after that you have to tap the send button on the home screen. Then from there you have to choose Bitcoin, which is the BTC logo, as your asset or as the asset. Then if available, tap Lightning to select the Lightning network instead of the regular Bitcoin network. Then paste or scan the recipient's Lightning invoice, or use the QR code or the code string. Then after that, enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Then make sure you review the transaction details and make sure it says Lightning, and tap the send now to complete the transaction. And that's how you can easily send Bitcoin with Lightning network on Coinbase. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.